All right, guys, welcome back. And we're getting ready to start filling in the streets, filling in the voids. What I use is a mixture of Top and Bond and Sakrete sand mix. Top and Bond is for voids up to a 1/2 inch, and the Sakrete sand mix is up to 2 inches. We're averaging about a 1/2 inch. The reason that I mix them is because the sand mix has a little bit thicker of an aggregate to it, which gives it a more tensile strength, while the Top and Bond has more stickum. It's got more latex and acrylic to make it stick and bond much better. So that's why I mix them, because I want the qualities of both of those. But the mixture that I do is 2 bags to 1. It's 80 pounds to 60 pounds. And I like to chop it with a masonry hoe, because when you mix it with your mixer, it's harder to tell the consistency, and it's a lot harder on your power tool. That being said, we'll go ahead and get these cracked open and start going with it. That's it, I got my masonry hoe here. Now when you mix this, you don't want to mix it like you did with the screeds. We made it much stiffer so that it didn't slump. This mixture we want to slump, because there is a degree of slump that's acceptable. And right now, we're going to go ahead and mix up to manufacturer's provisions on how they want it mixed. They say 3 quarts a bag. It's about a sponge. So we'll do 6 sponges. Chop this up. Get it nice and loose. And then I'll turn on the video again to show you consistency and how much you want it.